What's the meaning of best practice? Best practice. Best practice.
Best practice. Best practice. Best practice refers to the most effective and efficient method of carrying out a particular task or activity, which has been determined through extensive research, analysis, and experimentation. It is a widely accepted approach that yields optimal results in terms of quality, productivity, safety, cost-effectiveness, and customer satisfaction. Best practices are developed through a trial-and-error process, as well as by studying the successes and failures of others. They are continuously updated and refined based on new information and feedback. Adopting best practices is crucial for organizations seeking continuous improvement and competitive advantage. It helps them streamline processes, reduce waste, minimize risk, and achieve superior performance.